A quiz can grab your audience's attention, spark some competition, and help key information stick in their minds. Start by adding your quiz and giving it a title. The quiz questions are multiple choice, so you'll need to give at least 2 answer options, and you can mark 1 or more correct answers. By default, there's a 20-second timer on each question. So once the timer counts down to 0, the voting will be closed for the participants. You can change the timing or get rid of the timer altogether. With our paid plans, you can even add an image or a GIF, then add another question. If you need any inspiration, you can click on the magic cube icon, which will generate a random question. The leaderboard will show automatically at the end of the quiz, but you can also decide to show an interim leaderboard after any of the questions. And of course, you can edit the quiz at any time by clicking on it.